Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas. Day 15, wow. I can feel that my back is just on the verge of being tweaked in a really bad way, and I'm not looking forward to it, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, just hoping for the best. Hopefully we don't move in a way that sets it off. How friggin' old am I that I have to worry about this stuff? Today is going to be an insanely busy day because it is our last day in Los Angeles before we head home for the holidays. Back to New Jersey we go. I am stressed, there's a lot to do, but so excited for Connor to get home today. Sorry there's no fancy intro today, or really at all this week. I don't think I've done one. Oh, sorry, very zoomed in. Just me and my zit. Cute. Don't think I've done one nice intro this week because it just has been too busy, you guys. I don't have time. I just don't got the time. Oh man, my back, really. I just feel like it's going to tweak any second and I'm not gonna be able to move. Today's gonna be a very busy day though. We have work to get done. I'm getting my hair cut, and we also want to clean this place up at least a bit because it's pretty messy. We're gonna start in the kitchen here for sure, get everything clean, dishwasher emptied, then I wanna do the living room and I wanna get to the bathrooms today too. So that's sort of the plan there, and then on top of that, work and packing and my haircut and getting ready. So it is 10:30. My hairdresser is actually coming here, which is really nice because I don't have to go anywhere, at 12:30. So we have 2 hours and I want to spend that time working on the cleaning. And then after that, in the afternoon, we'll get some more work done. And that is the current plan. So obviously the first part of this vlog is gonna just have some good cleaning time lapses in them. Hope you don't mind, and let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, we got a lot of this clean done. We have some laundry going here, which we're definitely gonna be working on like all day long. Kitchen is nice and clean, even did the stovetop just to make sure that everything was nice and clean before leaving. Even though it'll probably get messed up before we go again, but that's okay. Now in the meantime, I just need to go hop in the shower and wash my hair because my hairdresser will be here in about 15 minutes. Okay, we are freshly showered and good to go. So yeah, all I did was shampoo and conditioner through my hair and no mask or any products or anything. And now I'm just going to brush it out with the Denman. That way it's nice and smooth, and my hairdresser should be here fairly soon. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about what I am planning on asking for, just in case you're wondering if you're a curly girl too. So definitely going to ask her to keep as much of the length as possible because that is still sort of my main goal with my hair, is just growing it out. So definitely want to keep the length, but just clean up the ends so that it's all even and, you know, stuff like that. I still have a touch of straight hair like on these front pieces, like there you can see that bottom part sort of straight, same with over here, sort of straight. So definitely want to get those cut off for those little face framing pieces and then put the shape back in. So like a couple layers, and yeah. Basically I'm going to tell her to do what she did last time because I loved my haircut last time, so definitely want the same vibes again. And I'm keeping it curly, I'm not having her blow it out or anything. I was sort of going back and forth about whether I want to. Look at how long my hair is, you guys. It's so crazy. Ultimately I decided let's just keep it curly. That is the deal, and let's go get this hair chopped. Okay friends, haircut complete. Obviously we can't really see the full finished product right now because it's still wet. I just told her to not worry about blow drying it because I prefer not to put the heat on my hair, and yeah, it was just easier. Plus I have a lot to do today, so I was like, it's cool, we don't really need to, you know, do that. Very excited to see the cut, and then once it's dry, if there's anything that looks weird, she said that she'll like pop back just to touch it up. But I don't think that there will be, and I'm so excited that all of this straight hair is officially off of my head. There is nothing left. No more chemically straightened hair, which is really exciting. That's the vibe, and we will see what this looks like once it dries, but it is lunchtime now. I think I'm just going to have some of that soup that I bought yesterday. Creamy chicken and wild rice soup from Gelson's. Never tried this before, but it's quick, it's easy. I can just throw it in the microwave and heat it up, so we're gonna go for it. Hey!
You know what I wanted to
Yeah.
That I know none of your friends are in LA, and if you have any issues with the person who's watching Molly tonight, you could always use me as a resource.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that so much.
Alright.
Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Okay.
She's so sweet. That was just my hairdresser, Sammy, calling to let me know if I need any help with Molly. She can help. So nice. I honestly was thinking that when she got here, 'cause she's a cat person, I was like, why didn't I think to ask her to pet sit? But that's okay. Next time, maybe. And the cat sitter does seem really nice that I hired. It's gonna be all good, but always good to have a backup just in case some ish goes down. You guys know.
Adam, you look so beautiful. You're looking so pretty today. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna miss you so much, my sweet baby. Wish we could spend the holidays together again. But I love you. So cute.
Okay, let's try this soup, shall we? Ah! That was so hot. Whoa, Thinkers, are you okay? Oh my gosh. Just slide that over with the paper towel, apparently. Get my hair out of my face while I eat this for a sec. Mmm. Oh, that's yummy. So good. Hi, Molly. You little crybaby? Mm-hmm.
Look, this is not for you. You're not gonna want it. See? Smell it. What do you think? It just has chicken in it. Maybe that's what she's smelling and wants.
All right, let's eat lunch. Well, my internet is out, so that's a fun addition to my day. Currently on hold. I did all of the fixes that usually work, and none of them did, so I'm assuming that they're probably gonna send a technician, which who knows when that can even happen. And obviously does not help me right now. This is really not what I needed today. Really not what I needed. Okay, friends, long time no chat. I was going to go out in the living room just to switch up the scenery because I feel like we vlogged here a lot today, but I have a cat on me, so can't move when a cat's on you. First of all, hair is dry and I am loving the cut. We're gonna talk about that in a second, but first I want to address that last clip because clearly it sort of cut off at a weird time because I got off of hold, and yes, unfortunately my internet is out and there's nothing that I can do about it, so we need a technician, and the technician cannot come until tomorrow. Luckily, I mean, it's amazing that they had like that quick of a turnaround, but it doesn't help me because I'm leaving tomorrow morning. But I'm glad that someone will be there to help Connor out so that he can still work and like live here. So it's gonna be an interesting rest of the night. Gonna be living off of the hotspot. It's gonna be fine. I was very frustrated in the moment, but come to terms with it because there is nothing that I can do about it. That is that. And I have just been spending some time working off my hotspot on my computer, editing this vlog that you're watching, because obviously I need to get it totally edited and ready to go before I go to bed tonight, since my flight leaves at like 8 a.m. tomorrow. There will be no time to do it in the morning. And that is sort of the general update. It's not great. But I did want to chat with you guys about my hair. Molly, don't you think that we should go maybe in front of the Christmas tree?
Yeah, let's do it. Come on. Let's go in front of the Christmas tree.
I know you like when Mama sits on the ground, so it'll still be nice for you. Been carrying this blanket around with me everywhere today. By the way, I'm wearing Connor's sweatpants because I was doing laundry and all of my comfy clothes were in the wash. And like, they are so big on me, obviously, because he is a man. I am a small woman. Anyway, let's chat about my hair, you guys, because I love the way that my cut turned out. Let me take my AirPods out. It looks so good. It has so much better shape in it again. I'm just a huge fan. It came out so well. I am really happy with it. My hairdresser did yell at me for always like pulling things down in my hair. She's like, embrace the big hair. But I'm not used to it yet, you guys. Sammy, please be gentle with me. I spent literally 14 years of my life trying to escape how curly and crazy my hair was. Also, didn't I just say, let's come in here and sit in front of the Christmas tree? And then where did I sit? On the couch. Is there something wrong with me? My brain is not working today anymore. Let's sit in front of the Christmas tree to finish this chat, please. Life is just so much better with a Christmas tree. Everyone told me that I should put like the fireplace thing on the TV, but obviously can't do that because no internet. So we're gonna have to deal with just this. But anyway, absolutely killed the haircut. I love it. Turned out great. Very happy with that. I don't know, I just sort of want to address this because I feel like I've gotten a few questions, comments, or like speculation, or I don't know, the speculation is like a dramatic word to use, but people wondering like how I actually feel about my curly hair, because I don't know why. I guess people are just sort of wondering, like, now that I've had it for a while, it's been like fully grown out for quite a few months at this point. So yeah, I did just want to chat with you guys about it because it is an interesting relationship. Like, curly hair is just an interesting time. It's gonna look different every day. Every time you style it, it's gonna look different. Like, you just have to accept the sort of randomness of it, which can be hard to do at times. Molly cat, Molly, do not try to climb that Christmas tree. And especially like being an influencer, it's not exactly the norm. I mean, I feel like I don't fit a lot of influencer norms appearance wise. Like, I feel like everyone has long, like perfectly blown out hair, tan skin, like the whole thing. And I do love like dressing up and doing that and doing like self tanner and straightening my hair and all of that, because it does sort of make me feel like I fit in better, like I'm less different, like, which is so silly to say. What a ridiculous statement. But honestly, sometimes I do feel that way. Like, does anyone even like, Molly, okay, no, we are not climbing the Christmas tree. Hey, you get down. Molly, I'm trying to have a serious conversation here and take this seriously, please. Anyway, it's just sort of like a weird thing to say out loud, but I have really thought about that at times. So I guess like the general answer is, yeah, I really love my curly hair. I am so glad that I did it. I'm so glad that I grew it out. Do I think that I'll go through phases where maybe I straighten it pretty often? Yeah, I do sort of think that I will. I sort of want to practice blowing out my own hair at home, or like practice using maybe that like Revlon brush and see how that does with my hair, just because I don't know, I just feel like it would be nice to know how to do that. And you know, why not? Everyone can go through phases of their hair, and I don't know, sometimes I do feel this pressure to like only wear my hair curly because I have just grown out my curly hair, and that people may think that I regret it or that I don't like my curly hair or something if I don't wear it curly all the time, which is absolutely not the truth. And I honestly probably will wear it curly 90% of the time for my life, because I'm just lazy and I'm not gonna want to blow it out all the time. But yeah, I do think that like I could see myself going through a bit of a straight hair phase. I definitely want to dye my hair next year, which I talked to my hairdresser Sammy about today. So very excited about that too. So yeah, I don't know. I just sort of thought that I would address that quickly. It is, you know, it's a complicated relationship. A girl and her curly hair. It's complicated, but all in all, I love my curls. I think that they are so fun. They're so different. And even though I was just saying sometimes that's what makes me insecure about them, that's also part of what I love about them, is just that they're so unique. Honestly, I've never seen anyone with curly hair like mine, because my curly hair is a little unruly and like does some weird things and has like 10 different curl patterns and whatever. So I do love how unique it is, and at the end of the day, I am so, so glad that I grew out my hair. It was just 100% the right decision. It's given me so much freedom. So I guess next up now will be embracing the big ol' hair. Oh man, I don't know, you guys, it makes me, I don't know, I just feel like it looks weird on my body sometimes, because I'm sort of a small person, and like my hair can be so big. I do need to just start letting it run free and wild. Oh, also got a package that I want to open really quickly. Just got a little additional package from Revolve. I guess they couldn't send this with my last one, so wanted to show this to you guys. I'm not going to try it on because lazy. I sort of picked this out with like brunches and nice dinners in mind. Looks like this, just a cute little romper, long sleeve. What is this material? I don't know. It's different than I sort of assumed it would be. This is from Super Down, by the way. What material are you? Okay, rayon. Yeah, and that's cotton lined on the inside. But anyway, just thought this would be really cute. Obviously, the weather's been sort of cold lately, so we'll see when it's nice enough that I could wear like a shorts romper like this. But yeah, I think this is very, very cute, and I'm really looking forward to styling this. Big thank you to Revolve just for always sending the best packages. Like, I feel so blessed that I get to like do this and pick out clothes for Revolve. Like, I know how many people want that privilege, and very, very grateful that I get to do this and that I get to, you know, sample so many products and stuff like that. It's just really cool. So basically the plan here, I'm gonna work on folding laundry and finishing that up, and then I guess packing. That way I really don't have to worry about that. We'll see when Connor gets home. I'm not sure exactly what time he'll be back. And then our night will pretty much be dinner, watching Survivor, and going to bed. I'm not sure how much I'll vlog because, as I said, I do need to finish up this entire vlog before I go to bed tonight. So more than likely I'll just show you what we make for dinner and then sort of wrap it up after that. Alrighty friends, it is 7 p.m. and I am pretty much done packing up. I didn't end up filming any of it because it was just a shit show. I was trying to figure out if I could pack in a carry-on or if I had to check a bag, and I also had no idea what I wanted to bring back with me, so it's just sort of a mess. I was like, it'll be easier not to try to film it, but I think that we are in a good place right now, and I did manage to get it onto a carry-on. Got pretty much everything in here, at least I hope so. Like, I managed to do this and it's making me nervous that I'm forgetting something, but I'm sure I'm not. Also, Molly Cat is definitely realizing what's happening and is sad. Sorry, baby. And Connor texted me and let me know that he landed, so very excited for him to be home. Hopefully not too long from now, maybe 30-40 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm just going to finish up. Like, I sort of want to be done with everything that I have to do. That way I really don't have to worry about it once he's back, and we can just relax and hang out and enjoy our last night together before the holidays, which is really sad, honestly. It just sucks that, like, he was gone for all these days and now I have to leave, so yeah. But on the list is cut Molly's nails and get her litter box changed out. So I think we're gonna start with the litter box and then we'll traumatize her with the nails. Okay, this is going to be where I leave you guys because I am trying to wrap up editing this vlog because I have to get the whole thing done today. So Connor is home now. Wanted to get Connor in the Vlogmas. Woo! Because it's his last time on the vlog this year.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that you know of.
Oh, okay.
Watch out for the user uploaded content on your channel.
Yeah, that's true.
That I have.
Oh yeah, Connor is gonna send us some Gus updates, I hope.
Yes,
the little
100%.
puppy. So
you will be probably getting a lot.
You'll get a little bit of that. But so happy you're home. I missed you too. So this is where we leave you. Our last night here. I hate when you do that.
Our last night together, sadly.
I know, it's so sad.
But as we said, perhaps our last Christmas apart. Which is
not
very
so bad.
exciting.
Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow when we will be traveling back to New Jersey.
So I'm offering this sample phrase.